So, in order to draw a box and whisker plot, you need 5 pieces of information. You need the lowest number, or the minimum, or the least. They all mean the same thing. You need the greatest number, the maximum number. We need our quartile 2, our quartile 1, and our quartile 3. From there, we will basically connect the dots. All right? Did we find 9 as our Q2? Okay. So you should have a list here of the 5 things that you need. Min, max, Q1, and we're going to fill in the blanks before we start drawing our box and whiskers. Q2 and Q3. So Q2 is 9. I can do the minimum and the maximum right away. What's the minimum? 2. What's the maximum? 16. And now I need to find my Q1 and Q3. Remember, you do not use your circled median. I have 2 in the middle. What do I do when I have 2 in the middle?
Add them and divide by 2.
Add them and divide by 2. 7 divided by 2. 3.5, that is my Q1. Ten plus 12 is?
22.
And 22 divided by 2 is? 11. That's my Q3. Simple. So, remember, number lines do have arrows at both ends. This one I'm going to start with 2 and go all the way up to 16. If you go a little further, it's no big deal. Okay, so the 5 dots I need, and I'm going to label them as I put them on there. I need my minimum, so I'm going to put a dot above my minimum at 2 and label it min. I'm going to put a dot at 3.5, which is halfway between 3 and 4, going horizontal from the minimum, and I'm going to call that Q1. I'm going to go to 9 and label that Q2. I'm going to go to 11 and label that Q3. And I'm going to go to 16 and label that max. Now I'm almost done. Between Q1 and Q3, I'm going to draw a box. There's the box. At Q2, I'm going to draw a line down. And then now I need my whiskers. From Q1 to min, I'm going to draw a line like a whisker of a cat. And then from Q3 to max, I'm going to draw a whisker. This is called a box and whisker. It's made up of a box and whiskers. This says that 25% of my data is here. Another 25% of my data is here. 25% is here, and 25% is here.